Hello, Isaac's community. I'm Elizabeth Denevi,
And I'm Lori Cohen.
and we're so excited to be coming to Chicago to work with you on March 9th. We're going to be offering a workshop for any of you who are either in charge of supervising evaluation or helping to support educators who are going through an evaluative process. We're going to be talking about our brand new book, yay, Integrating Educator Wellbeing, Growth, and Evaluation.
And in this day-long workshop, you're going to learn a lot of different tools and approaches that you can apply to your school's ecosystem. Also, finding your appropriate entry point for how you can reimagine evaluation and at what level you are able to do so, whether through more equitable practices, through looking at role clarity and adult well-being, through growth processes, or through just reimagining the whole evaluation process itself.
Great. We hope to see you on March 9th.
Bye.